because I was eliminated with somebody while they were calling it a love angle, but we were friends the whole time. It's like, I need to show you something, and she showed me a picture of my girlfriend in a car with another guy while she was telling me that I'm sleeping. I caught her cheating on me and via a fan. तुम जो ये ग्लास उठाए अभी ऐसा सर तुम्हारे होठा लगे वो स्ट्रॉ को तो ऐसा दिखा पहली डेट पे प्यार हो गया तो अच्छी बात नहीं.
Oh my god, so hot. Oof. मुंडा तो बड़ा सोना है.
Maybe.
और लड़ाई कलेश कैसे हैंडल करते हो?
बहुत लड़ता हूँ.
So are you looking for love right now or not?
I'm always looking for love. But I think now I need to put a full stop. This is my full stop.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, ladies. Sorry. But my DM is still open. I was kidding.
Soft touch or deep eye contact?
My love language is touch.
And I love your energy.
And I want to hang out with you more. अब मुझसे और नहीं होगा. I love you. Do you want to be mine? A golden rose for the beautiful lady.
Thank you.
Since it's my first date after Big Boss. First date after Big Boss has to be remembered. और मुझे honestly भी याद नहीं है कि मैं last date पे कब गया.
Really?
Yeah.
So do you really go out on dates? No, not at all.
It's been a while.
So that means you're single. Very.
I am.
क्यों?
अगर आप Big Boss की context में पूछ रहे हो, तो I am in a very complicated spot because I was eliminated with somebody. While they were calling it a love angle, but we were friends the whole time. I am emotionally unavailable. तो उस वजह से मैं थोड़ा सा single था. But then I went to Big Boss.
तो अब आप emotionally available हो?
अभी मैं distorted हूँ.
Ajay, so tell me, what's the worst thing you found out about yourself and the best thing that you discovered about yourself?
Somebody accused me of the fact that I'm the most emotionally immature guy out there. कहते इसकी emotional immaturity zero है. Cut to the same person says, you know what, I think I have some feelings for you. So I don't know. Do you think I should take that judgment?
I think you're the best person to decide for yourself.
Yeah. That's why this is my first try. Most basic thing you owe this person is to not hurt this person.
तो ऐसा कभी हुआ है पहले that you actually ended up hurting somebody?
Yeah, quite a few times I guess. But वो realize तभी होता है when the time's gone by.
Getting a lot of love from girls.
Maybe.
मैं jealous हो सकती हूँ.
No need, yaar. I mean, I'm sitting here, they all want me and I'm right here in front of you. Look at you. This is the smile I'm here for.
Wow.
Look at that. Are you guys getting this? Yes or no? She's blushing, man. Mission accomplished.
और कोई strategy है date के लिए या सिर्फ Big Boss strategy पे focus कर रहा था?
देखिए वो ब्रेक जरूरी होता है. उस ब्रेक के बाद मैं यहाँ आया हूँ with the golden rose. अब मुझे कोई यहाँ से नहीं उठा सकता. हॉट सीट पर बैठ गया हूँ मैं.
काफी हॉट सीट पे हो.
जानवी के बगल बैठा हूँ. Obviously, man. How many people even get this chance? Tell me.
Oh my god, you're hyping me up so much. I love this.
Straight from the Big Boss house, right next to you.
ठीक है, सही है. From your busy schedule, you've taken time out to मतलब I appreciate it.
I'm never busy for you, Janvi. Take it written on cams.
Are you sure about that? I
Try
will take
me.
advantage of it.
Try me.
And I will test that.
You got it. Everybody watching this, you got it.
If he doesn't give me time, I'm going to be posting about it now. मैंने तो ट्राई किया था बट लड़की के पास वक्त ही नहीं है. मैं तो बोल दूंगी.
But what's going on with you? I've seen so many of your dates out there. So many of these dates you've been going out and what's wrong? What's wrong with these boys? How have they not locked you in till now?
यार ये सवाल का जवाब तो मुझे भी जानना है. I don't know. Okay, so my problem is I am hyper independent.
Okay.
I need a feminist man.
Okay. Can I get a pen and paper? Like, okay, just go.
You can't even remember that about me.
No, of
How
course.
mean?
I'm all ears right now. Okay.
But yeah, like I
Hyper
am.
independent, feminist guy.
Yeah, I'm very emotional as a person, and I'm very guarded also because experiences teach you to be guarded.
Coconut. Soft on
Ah.
the inside, hard on the outside. He's a feminist guy. So this date is done. Like, you guys are still questioning this? Chale? Next.
हम यही डेट कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं, just saying.
अभी it's just getting started. I think we're just getting started.
Yeah, we're just getting started. अच्छा मुझे बताओ डेट पे what is your like what is that ick about a girl that you get?
Firstly, I hate waiting, but given in this case, see, I cannot be not real.
I made you wait like half an hour.
Yeah, for the people who are watching this, I sat here in this beautiful place without this beautiful girl for over 30 minutes, but sub maaf. She's got that smile on her face right now. It counts. It counts.
But listen, you said that so the feminist part is tick mark.
Okay, yes. In a way, like partially. Moody hu main thoda.
What do you mean? Elaborate.
See, I don't completely call myself feminist, but I cannot ऐसे pointers नहीं है मेरे पास कि okay, this is the reason why I am and this is the reason why I'm not. But I have found myself in situations where people are like, okay, you cannot call yourself a feminist if you believe this. So I'm like, okay, maybe I can't completely say that, but I will agree with you most of the times.
Okay, but give me an example.
Maybe you shoot me a situation and I can tell you if I can be called a feminist or not.
Okay, let's say somebody said that they like a girl, but she's not good looking enough.
Then what do you like about her? Because for me, when I like somebody, looks are the last.
I will
Point.
disagree with that.
Why?
यार हम सबसे पहले हमें क्रश किस बेसिस पे होता है?
मुझे तो किस पे भी हो सकता है. Sorry to say this, I'm being honest. जैसे मैं मॉल में हूँ.
But
अब आपने पूछ लिया तो मैं बता ही देता हूँ. मैं मॉल में हूँ. मेरा सफर गाड़ी से उस स्टोर तक है. मेरा प्रोडक्ट खरीदना है और मुझे वापस गाड़ी तक जाना है. उस रास्ते में to and fro, if I see a girl with beautiful eyes, I can have a crush on her just for the
you
fact that
said
she's
beautiful.
got beautiful eyes. Like आंखें हाँ पसंद आएगी तभी
Some
तो आप
kind of
खूबसूरत
beauty,
बोलोगे.
right? You contradicted yourself.
No, but are we not
But
living in that
looks
society?
do matter. That's exactly
Looks
what
do
I
matter,
said.
yes. Yes,
See,
but how can I
point
like
proven.
somebody if I don't go through that?
I won this debate.
Okay, I can let you win this one.
You
Okay.
know looks
Minus
matter.
one. Minus
Looks
one.
matter. I'm going to debate this.
I've dated very different looking people.
Yeah, so I'm going back to the question. So
Yeah.
this person says that, oh, I could find somebody better. You're not as good looking, but hey, I really like you.
I'll still do with whatever I'm getting.
Yeah.
That's not feminism.
And if they're saying this in public,
That's not the kind of person I am. I have been in that situation.
ठीक है, so you get points.
try me, try me.
You get brownie points for this.
It's just the first date. You have a lot of time to know me.
Oh my god. Yeah.
मैं एक डेट में समझ आ जाऊँ इतना आसान नहीं है.
एक डेट पे तो मैं भी समझने आऊंगी.
है ना? That's fair enough ना. See, at least हम दोनों उस बात पे तो agree करते
तो ठीक है, हम agree करते हैं that we need many more
हैं. एक
dates.
से ज्यादा लगेगा guys, आप लोग अपना टाइम निकाल लेना.
But okay, so what do you look for in love?
In love, I don't look for anything in love. This is the thing. First thing I believe कि आप when you're not looking for love is when you find it. It finds you
That's
is what I
true.
believe. Especially when your head over is कि मुझे अभी ढूंढना ही है प्यार. I want to find love. You're gonna find it. But love happens. It happens to you. Be like मुझे इससे प्यार हो गया. हो गया. Like I've been in that spot. I'm like, shit, I shouldn't have spent so much time with this person. Now I feel I'm in love with this person because I didn't have plans to be in love at that time of in my life. So hua hai, and I feel like love, it happens, and you just accept everything about the person.
So are you looking for love right now or not?
I'm always looking for love. Always looking for love, but I think now I need to put a full stop. This is my full stop.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, ladies. Sorry, but my DM is still open. I was kidding. No, I had to get your attention back at me.
But what is it about a girl that attracts you? Apart from the looks, of course. That's the first thing. But apart from that, what sort of keeps you there?
I think it's the nature first. Because see, there's a lot of pretty women walking around these days. Everywhere you go, there's Instagram kholo aap, every second reel is a pretty girl trying to look cool and everything. But they are like the speed dating era, the dating era. Everybody knows what to say. They always have it planned. It's like, my favorite color was red, and I did this when I was in 6th grade, and in my 10th I was doing this. I'm a baller. I'm a baddie. So I am like I want to seek more. I want to know the stories that not everybody knows about you. And that's like a little different perspective I get.
Okay.
And
Well,
what about you?
I mean, honestly, the fact that a guy can respect me and the work I do, my family, that is important to me. But uske alawa, I think what really keeps me going is that I want somebody who can, you know, push me to keep my drive, who can sort of,
Can add.
yeah, like add value to it. And
That's exactly what a partner means.
yeah, also I don't need somebody who wants to fix me, you know. I
Yeah.
want them to like,
Accept you for who you are.
yeah, and I am थोड़ा सा कुकू, थोड़े
We
से
all are.
मैं छोटे छोटे इश्यूज उठा के बैठ जाती हूँ.
मेहनत होने वाली है guys.
अच्छा, और लड़ाई कलेश कैसे हैंडल करते हो?
बहुत लड़ता हूँ. बहुत लड़ता हूँ मैं. I'm very, you know, I've been a competitive guy on my childhood, school life, and then college life and everything. I've been through reality shows for about 8 years now. So competitive vibe to मेरी है, which I've realized also in my relationships. I'm always the one like I will not give up the fight. I'm always debating like नहीं तुमने भी ये बोला था, तुमने भी वो बोला था, ऐसे भी हुआ था, वैसे भी हुआ था. So I'm coming to see कि हाँ ये मैं ऐसा हूँ, and I'm working towards being a softer version of myself.
Did you see my eyes shine the minute you said मैं लड़ता हूँ?
So you like toxic too, huh?
ये देखो, रिलेशनशिप में कुछ तो टॉक्सिक होना चाहिए. सब मतलब सबको ग्रीन कारपेट बनना है यार, बट एवरी ह्यूमन इज फ्लॉड.
ग्रीन कार्पेट बनना है और ग्रीन कार्पेट होने में बहुत
कोई ग्रीन कारपेट नहीं है इस दुनिया में.
fully green is also boring.
Yeah, it's very boring.
I mean,
Like, okay, imagine if I'm fighting with you and you just look at me, you're like, oh, I'm sorry. I'm like,
Yeah,
अब
maybe
मैं क्या
you're right.
करूँ?
maybe
अब
you're
मैं क्या
right,
करूँ?
completely fine. मजा नहीं आएगा ना life का. You just get up and walk away. That's not fun. Just imagine this. You and I are seeing each other. We're living together somewhere. Now I go off for the show for 2 months. I come back and I'm like, listen, stop fighting about me coming late at home. Stuff like that. Because मेरा meter तो full हो जाएगा ना ये shows करके. How are we going to deal with that?
We'll find other things to fight about.
Like?
I don't know, like you hanging out with your girl best friend for too long.
Show friends. Okay. I've been through a lot of this. Are you like that?
I don't get jealous.
But what if we get them to sit with us and hang out?
That's okay.
fine.
Like,
And then
don't
you guys become
abandon
better
me.
friends.
Oh,
And then
that,
bitch about me.
that is a possibility.
That always
I'm a girl's girl, so that.
So this is like a vortex. So it's going to repeat and it's going to end the same way.
So
Honestly speaking, I've always. So if I'm in a relationship, my girl is the center of the universe. Everything revolves around her. I am somebody की सुबह उठ के breakfast भी साथ करना है मुझे. If I go wherever for my stuff and I come back, I want her to be waiting for me. I'm very clingy like that.
oh, I like that.
Yeah, if you're like busy with your shoots,
Obsessed with each other.
yeah. I have like, if we are like 12 hours if we're working, 10 hours I want to spend with you while you're at work. If I'm free, I come there. If you're free, however it works. I was shooting for Kundli Bhagya, right? Like for about 18 months. Whoever I was seeing in that span of time would spend the whole day with me on set. I want that energy around me. I'm very, very clingy like that.
लेकिन अभी my job doesn't allow me to do that. तो हम कैसे manage करेंगे?
So now they'll have to hire me with you. So we both will be taking interviews. Now the property changes.
Yeah, I mean we
On
could.
a date with us.
We could do that, or we can start a new show, na?
Let's do it actually. Yeah, let's leave this to be this song.
Yeah, like we'll just end the season. We'll just be like,
Yeah, guys,
bye
wrap this
guys.
up and we could do On a Date with us now.
Yeah, like just do that.
But yeah, that's the kind of a guy I am in a relationship. Like I said, the society that we're living in today with the speed dating and all of this shit, the
yeah, I
kind of
can't do all of that.
it's very difficult.
I hate this
Same.
whole
These concepts don't exist in my world.
ये ghosting and breadcrumbing and I'm like ये
Benching.
बहुत मेहनत है यार.
Right, benching, and I'm like, oh, so what we've been doing all our lives is called benching now?
Yeah, no, what is this love bombing and all of this? क्या who has time to do all of this?
थोड़ा old feel हो रहा है, थोड़े पुराने feel हो रहे हैं.
Please don't make me feel old. I just turned 30. I'm feeling old.
Same, babe. I turned 30 in the big boss's house, and I'm like, 30 हो गया मैं. I started doing reality when I was 20, 21.
Oh.
So, yeah.
9 years of doing reality TV.
Yes.
कभी ऐसे लगता नहीं यार that you're putting yourself out on display for public to sort of scrutinize. Like I sometimes think about it and I'm like, just I don't know,
Would you be able to handle that, babe?
not at all.
Like a reality star. Have you dated somebody from the reality background? No. A lot of judgment. Everywhere we go, people are going to be like, Basir Ali spotted with this beautiful girl. Basir Ali spotted with this black dress girl. मेरी एक relationship थी. It started just before the lockdown came into picture. Now we started dating and the lockdown happened. Now I'm back to Hyderabad. This girl is in Bombay. One of my fan caught her cheating on me. Can you imagine that? This one girl that I had replied to in 2017. So because I had replied to her, her messages would somehow pop up on my DM. So this one, like, I need to show you something. And she showed me a picture of my girlfriend at that time in a car with another guy while she was telling me that I'm sleeping. So imagine how important fans are.
Oh
I
my
caught her
God.
cheating on me and via a fan
Okay.
in the lockdown. Just a fun fact, the past 3 relationships I've been in, जितने भी पुराने हो चुके हैं अभी वो, I've been cheated on. I've been cheated on.
Hey, you're getting a fiercely loyal girl here.
Ah, finally, guys, something makes sense.
Are you somebody who's okay going public with their relationship?
So, it's my weakness. I cannot not be public. I cannot not be public, and my mom hates it. She's like, you date whoever you want to date. Date how many ever people you want to date. But why is it always public? Why do you leave a count? Why do you give the chance for people to always point a finger saying, oh, you dated this person, this person, this person? Because every time you Google your name, like plenty people you
There's a
always
list.
see. Yeah. And she always tells me, तेरी शादी भी नहीं हुई अभी. I'm like, अच्छी बात है ना, mom.
But listen, Abhi, na, I want to do a fun little segment. You
Let's
have
do
to
it.
tell me what's hotter, kiss on the head or kiss on the forehead.
I think it's the head for me generally.
Oh, bang on. I agree.
Generally, yeah. Forehead is very cute, but head is like warmer. I
That's
feel.
true. Okay, morning cuddles or late night calls?
Morning cuddles any day.
Oh,
Any
damn.
day.
Big spoon, of course.
Of course.
Soft touch or deep eye contact?
Touch. My love language is touch.
Oh, damn. Slow burn or fast burn?
Slow burn.
Oh,
Any day.
it's going to be a torture, no?
Yeah.
This romance is going to be a
You
torture.
guys can't handle this.
Moving on. Oh.
I'm bad at that.
Hmm.
I'm bad at that.
Oh, you're bad at that. You'll never have to move on, darling.
Yes. Exactly what I was looking for.
Okay, you can now talk spicy,
Okay.
but in your Hyderabadi accent. Come on, do this to me.
Wow, you guys are really creative. तुम जो ये ग्लास उठाए अभी ऐसा सर तुम्हारे होठा लगे वो स्ट्रॉ को तो ऐसा दिखा क्या हुआ मजा आ गया तुम ऐसा आंखों से न करोगे प्यार हो जाता मुझे पहली डेट पे प्यार हो गया तो अच्छी बात नहीं माँ तो देखे जब से ये गोल्डन रोज भी फिक्का दिख रहा ये नींबू पानी भी फिक्का दिख रहा इन लोगों को बोलो यहाँ से जाओ जरा कुछ बताना है
Bus guys, job abhi ho gaya, I think. Now we need to do this on camera.
That's good. Good for
I
you.
love it. Oh my god, so hot. Oof. Listen, I can only talk dirty in English. I have a problem.
What languages do you speak?
Hindi, English. I know Punjabi, but like I'm not very confident.
Punjabi is very cute, dude.
It's very
Just
cute.
spicy होगा यार.
हाँ.
But let's try.
मुंडा का बड़ा सोना है.
Hmm.
तो इयरिंग्स भी पा रखे ने. आय हाय.
Just to impress you.
ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਤਾਂ ਕੀਲੀ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ. Skin ਵੀ ਬੜੀ shine ਮਾਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੀ. So today,
Yeah.
on this date, I want you to tell me what are you going to rate our chemistry on 1 to 10?
A straight 9.5 because effortless.
0.5 क्यों नहीं?
0.5 because you were judging me on the fact that if I was a feminist or not. You still had
But-
doubts.
हाँ तो मुझे सवाल पूछने पड़ेंगे ना
The
ऐसे कैसे
0.5
जानूंगी
was
मैं?
cut because you didn't trust me, babe. You brought back the whole point.
How would I trust you if I don't know you?
Even the second time, you're like, huh, let me see. Now you're a feminist.
But I'm going
Hmm.
to test you, no? I'm allowed to test
But
you.
am I a feminist or no?
You are a feminist, but 0.5 कम क्यों दिया?
तो वो 0.5 अभी डाल देंगे.
मैं ऐसे लड़ाई करती
और
हूँ.
एक 0.5.
मैंने 0.5 पे लड़ाई करी
ले
है.
लिया. भाई ये तो बहुत टफ होने वाला है.
And you thought you're the drama.
Yeah, man. So slyly, you just found your way. Like, dekha.
That's how I do the drama.
Good one, man. So much fun.
And what did you discover about yourself on this date?
I discovered that I need to be more confident about my role as a feminist in the society. And I think I need to do a lot of this. Abhi, I have to go out on more dates with you
Yeah.
because I feel like I'm a bit rusty. And
I don't
maybe
think you're rusty. Your flirting skills are 10 on 10, darling.
really, then you're not ready for what's coming. I'm telling you.
Oh.
I felt I was so rusty. I was like, shit, I'm so much better than this. Like, abhi nahi aa raha. ठीक है. But the next time
If this is rusty, I never want to be ready for what's coming next.
I promise you.
Because I want to swoon.
You will be surprised. I promise.
What's your take on me?
Well, you feel like a tornado. It felt like a tornado the moment I sat here, and the conversations started flowing, and then, the whoosh went like calm, and then you started tapping onto things that not everybody asks me about my role as a feminist, about how I should. Maybe you set a few things right in my head during our conversations. So the kind of influence your energy had on me in this date is very new to me, and I'm being very honest.
Oh my god, damn, I describe myself as a human tornado.
See, I didn't know that about you.
See, you were so bad. Oh my god.
It's quite real there. And being honest, like I said, I've hung out with a lot of people. I met a lot of people. Your energy is different. It is.
And I love your energy.
And I want to hang out with you more.
Oh, we're doing the
For
second,
sure.
third, fourth. Oh,
100%.
it's going to be dates after dates, guys.
You guys gonna keep watching us more.
Okay, and what if you had to ask me to be your girlfriend? What would you do then? Because now you know there's a vibe.
I'm a talker. I straight away tell you, you know what? Ab mujhse aur nahi hoga. I love you. Do you want to be mine? That's how it goes.
Yeah, but you have to put effort. I'm not going to tell you how to. Like tomorrow, if you and I fight, I'm not going to tell you manana kaise hai.
मेरे को थोड़ा स्ट्रेस हो रहा है अभी रुको सोचने दो करना क्या है I bloody wasn't ready for this but like I'm telling you मैं बहुत खराब हूँ इन सब चीजों में for example
That
I've
means-
never bought a flower for anybody in life okay people who've been a part of my life have complained to me कि तू एक flower नहीं खरीदता एक rose खरीद के नहीं देता I'm like they die babe flowers die what's the point of giving a flower to somebody that dies but this it's not gonna die
So this is the first.
Yeah, I'm just telling you. तो मेरे thoughts ऐसे होते हैं. अभी मेरे दिमाग में आ नहीं रहा. How would I ask you? I mean,
Is this the first time you've given a girl a flower?
I swear to God, yes.
Oh my god, I feel special already. But ठीक है, but I'm going to just fight more with you now.
अरे तो मैं आया ना इधर.
अरे but इधर आना is not enough effort.
अरे
no?
तो हमने इतनी अच्छी बातें तो की.
So
ये
the
तो पहली
classic
date.
example of
But listen, you look so pretty today. And do I have to do so much more?
yeah, you have to.
Am I
look
not
at the
looking
effort. No, look at the effort I've put in. Not
Look at the effort I put in.
अरे but
It's
इसमें ज़्यादा effort जाता
दोनों
है.
को भी लगता है effort. क्यों
नहीं,
लगता है? आपको कम क्यों लगता है?